Hey everybody, it's Bobby from the Halls of Music here. This is a backing track from Monkey and the Engineer by the Grateful Dead. I learned this from the live album Reckoning. I added a little bit to the intro and I added my own little solo in there. So if you guys want to learn what I wrote for the intro, or you want to be able to learn something from my improvisation, I will include a link in the description of this video of the 35-minute lesson that I did on Monkey and the Engineer. It is a fun little tune to play improvisations with the entire time, during the singing, during the solo, all of it. It's something that Jerry used to do a lot behind Bob Weir, and it's a fun way to improvise and play around with the melody. I hope you enjoy this backing track and have a great time improvising and having fun on your own. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Once upon a time there was an engineer, drove a locomotive both far and near, accompanied by a monkey who sat on a stool, watching everything the engineer would do. One day the engineer wanted a bite to eat. He left the monkey sitting on the driver's seat. The monkey pulled the throttle, locomotive jumped the gun and did 90 miles an hour down the main line run. Big locomotive right on time, big locomotive rolling down the line, big locomotive number 99, left the engineer with a worry in mind. The engineer called up the dispatcher on the phone to tell him all about his locomotive was gone. Get on the wire, switch operator to right, cause the monkey's got the main line sewed up tight. Switch operator got the message on time, said there's a northbound limit on the same main line. Open up the switch, I'm gonna let him through the hole, cause the monkey's got the locomotive under control. Big locomotive right on time, big locomotive rolling down the line, big locomotive number 99, left the engineer with a worry in mind. Yeah. Big locomotive right on time, big locomotive rolling down the line, big locomotive number 99, left the engineer with a worry in mind. Yes, left the engineer with a worry in mind.